Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to attach the digital signature on merged Form 16 and mail it to employees. When Part A and Part B of Form 16 is being converted into PDF files, the files can be digitally signed during the process. If it is not digitally signed at this step, then we can get the Form 16 digitally signed later when the Part A and B are merged into a single file. For this, we will be using the Saral Sign application. Before proceeding for digital signature, make sure that Saral Sign application is installed. Before proceeding to merge the two parts of Form 16, enable digitally sign using Saral Sign and click on Merge. After the merge, the Saral Sign window will be displayed. Here, go to the Options menu and click on Password Protection. Enable Apply Password on opening the document and do the required password setting, that is password length and password fields. We can automate the password or manually define it. To mail the signed file to the employees, go to Settings and click on Email Settings. Here, do the required mail settings, that is, mail to be sent through default connectivity or through SMTP connectivity. Also, set the default line and mail body for the mail being sent. Now, select the signature, which may be in a USB token or in a PFX file. For USB token, insert the token to the system and read the signature. In case of PFX file, trace the file path and enter the password of the signature. Next, we can view all the files taken for digital signing. If any file does not have an email ID, then the information of such file will also be listed. Lastly, in this screen, enter the reason for digitally signing along with the location of signing person and date of sign. To email the signed files to employees, enable I want to email the files after signing. The signature placing can be adjusted by providing the required offset value. Similarly, the signature can be aligned according to the requirement. Once all the settings are done, click on Finish, and all the documents will be signed and mailed. This completes the process of attaching digital signature on merged Form 16 and mailing it to employees in Saral PayPack. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.